Welcome back, Gunners, YouTubers. I hope all of you are having a great day. We are back in the garage. Kobe is here. We've got a ton of things to do on our list. So we are going to attack this car basically from the back forward. Pause. 40's here, no shirt on. No, I gotta show you. No, I gotta show you this. I gotta show you this. I gotta show you this. Trappy. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. My man. Hey. Super hot today. Hopefully we get a good break. I think today's the last day of the heat wave, but I'm glad you guys are here, man. Please don't forget to like the video right now. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, smash that notifications button. Kobe is back home. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Runners, the first thing we're doing is installing our frozen purple diffuser. And we've got enough room to install it on the car, right, Choppy? Yeah. On the car. So we're gonna get that rolling. Oh, here he goes again. He don't care. Here he goes again. He don't care.
That's his favorite time to talk.
It is what it is. On, Gunners. How's it look?
I like it a lot.
How's it look?
That looks really good on
It
there.
looks really nice on there. Wow. Worked out great, man. Here you go, Trappy. You ready? Oh,
Yo,
look
how
at you doing
crazy
it for the
is
gram.
it?
Doing it for the gram.
Nah, how crazy is it that it looks like blue in there? Like, that's high blue, right?
Nice.
Yeah, new boys.
Brand new Jones. Brand new Jones. Trappy, I would take it out. I would take out, yup, you're gonna have to unclip that. Trappy, if this car's not perfect, we're not giving it away.
Like every other one.
It has to be, exactly, because I
100%.
feel like people now are gonna be like, yo, hurry up and finish. Nah.
No rush. For
No,
what?
no
What we
rush.
rushing for?
For who? For who at that?
Word.
For who?
Where's the car Grammys? Where's the car Grammys? 'Cause
Word.
we ain't been nominated.
Where's the car Grammys, man? That's what I'm talking. It just feels good when you use a new clip, right?
Yeah. When you go like this.
Oh my god. And you know it's there. It's there. I joke out, oh. That fan hand right now, I ain't gonna hold
That
you.
fan
That
hit.
fan is hand.
But we probably sound terrible.
I just want to say that all these clips are facing the right way. Yeah, I don't want to hear it. No, I don't want to hear it later on. Everything is facing the right way. I don't want to hear it. Prepping the door panels now. Oh, we got two crispy, fresh ones from a gunner donated. I had a really good passenger side one, but we're just gonna match these up. So these are gonna get, prepped, cleaned, basically sanded down, and then we're gonna paint these black the same way we did our interior in the previous vlogs. So, yeah.
I want to clean that
Yeah,
one.
you can wash that. We're gonna paint that black too. So this whole thing's just gonna be black. The interior is gonna be. Oh man, I see it already. No flaps on, no drawers. Just being a creep. Just being a creep. That's all he doing. Just being a creep. Look at him. Look at him. Just being a creep. Y'all don't work. They just sit here. Y'all don't work.
I'm waiting for you to tell me.
Nobody got a job here. Jesus. Mud flaps on. And it looks good, Trappy. And it looks more.
Another white clip to this side.
I got it. I'll find it. It's a beautiful thing,
That's
Travis.
that line right there, that yellow.
Oh my God, that transition worked out. All we did was scuff and clean them. Clean boats here. I like where this is going, Trappy. Oh my God, look how that handle reflects.
Off the smoke.
Oh my God, off the CTRs. So we just went ahead and
Look like they on.
it does look like they're on. We put some brand new sockets in there, brand new bulbs. Oh yeah, this car's gonna look crazy at nighttime, Trap, with the LEDs.
Wait. You got this? They know they CTRs?
Oh, no, I
they
showed
know?
it. I
They
showed
know?
it.
They know what
I
that is,
showed it.
right?
Nah, I paid $800 to say this. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this has been a long day, man. Finally getting lunch right now, me and Trappy. I wanted to show you this. I sanded and, got these prepped. Look how clean these came out. Oh, yeah. The toilet works. I can't wait to install these. I'm going to wait a few more minutes to have them dry, but they're going to look crazy on this wheel well, man. They're going to look crazy in here, guys. It's lit. Thank God I saved everything, man. I have all my old clips. I've got some new ones, but unfortunately, these are way too big. It doesn't fit. How's that fender liner look over there?
Check this out, Trappy.
Oh, yeah. Wow, they can't see it. I gotta get a light. Nah, they gotta see this. They gotta see. Oh, you gotta see this drip. Talk to me, Gunners. Talk to me, Gunners. Talk to me. Is anybody catching this build or what, man? Comment right now. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Hold on, Trap. Make sure it's right.
Nah, that's a snug fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's it.
That's money. That's money.
Yeah, look at that wheel line.
Wow.
Trap.
Long. Yo, it's like the simplest things in the world, bro.
Yeah.
It's like the simplest things in the world, man. Make it all look good. Look at that.
Trap.
That's beautiful.
Come on, bro.
I love you, Gunners, man. I'm going above and beyond, guys. We're all, me and the squad going above and beyond. We're going above and beyond. All right, we got to get one more guy that goes over here, Trappy.
Yep.
We have to push the bumper back a little bit, and then right there. Yep.
Yeah. One more body clip.
And that's the wider one. Pause.
So body clip?
Yeah. Try to use use a new one. I use a new one in there. But you see the drip here. You see the drip. I think you're gonna have to put the actual washer.
Oh no, it's in this one right here, Trappy.
Yeah.
It's a small one. No, look.
Nah. Oh yeah. Okay. Nice. I thought it was the other one. All right. I failed. I forgot. It's right. Hold on, Gunners. It's right there. You see it? Yeah, you see it. All right, Trappy. Final product.
Look at this fit, Trap.
We got our Phillip head up there, and I can't zoom in. All right, they can see it right there. Phillip head there. All our clips. We're not missing anything, right?
Is that one missing right there?
Yeah, that one's missing, boss. You're gonna need one.
No. That's not a body clip. You know what that's there for?
What?
For water out the bay.
Oh, okay. Okay, you got that. You got that. You got that. All right, that's done. Wrapped up. We'll do the other side off camera, and we're done.
Me, Trap, B. Wheel liners. Yeah, we got too much time on our hands, Trap.
You doing them like that?
Yeah.
You doing them like that?
Yeah, I ain't playing fair.
Wow. Not like that. Not like that.
You don't lock it in yet. You don't lock it in yet.
Tomate. Yo, never forget when the Colombians tried to set up Tony Montana and Chichi in the hotel.
Yeah.
Never forget that.
And Manny was downstairs in the car trying to bag,
Yeah, flirting with the hoes.
trying to hit.
Trying to hit something. Coño!
Yeah, I remember him.
That's butter like scotch, my guy. That's butter like scotch. I like it. I like where this is going.
I'm thinking I might do another one right here, Trappy.
I would too. Why not?
Why not, right? We here.
Love
We
never
here.
disrespected or hated. Gunners, I am out of here. Me and Trappy are out of here. We hope you enjoyed today's vlog. We got I'm trying to keep the cursing down. Bear with me. I'm working on it. We got a whole bunch of things done on Kobe today, and I am so excited he's back. He looks amazing. He's gonna get better every vlog. I'll give you guys this hint. The rims are upstairs. Tires are on them. The lug nuts are here. They were a pretty penny, and they were worth every single penny. How about those lug nuts, Trappy?
Yo, 3,000 likes and we'll drop the wheels early.
Word. We get 3. Yo, good idea, man. Yeah, I need to learn these little tactics. Yo, I get 3,000. I get 3,000 likes on this video. The next vlog, I'll show you the wheels. How about that? That's a promise. And you know me, I keep my word. So, as usual, man, I love you guys. Thank you for being here. I hope all of you are doing well, mentally and health-wise too, and physically. So, yeah, man. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Keep gunning.